Joshi. I am a campus recruit from BITS Pilani Hyderabad campus. The company came in our campus. The placement process was very smooth and oriented. Moving on to my onboarding process experience, it was very smooth. I got to meet CEO and the CFO of our company in the same day. In the company, you will get to learn a lot of things. In my case, I have been onboarded into 2 projects till now. In one project, I got to learn about the .NET framework, and currently I'm developing the UI for a company product in React. The company culture is very good. It has an open door policy, so you will be able to go to anyone and ask any kind of question. Like for example, if you are a front-end developer, you can go and ask a backend developer, or maybe you have some doubt in DevOps. You can go to anyone and ask anything to them, if they are free, that of course. And there's another program which was recently introduced, that is the Mentor-Mentee Program. So in which you can choose your mentor, whoever it may be, your senior, maybe your manager, anything, and you will get to learn more things under them. Like for example, currently I have my manager as my mentor, and I'm getting to learn more about the UI aspect. So it's great. It's a great learning experience. You will get to learn many more things as they are your senior. Looking forward to many more years in the company.